Nothing has officially revealed the design of the Phone 4a, confirming a signature semi-transparent rear panel with a horizontal, pill-shaped camera module. The phone will be available in white and a new pink finish described, featuring a new Glyph Bar notification system with brighter, individually controllable mini LEDs. The redesigned interface uses 9 mini LEDs across 6 square segments, reportedly 40% brighter than previous models. The Nothing Phone 4a and Nothing Phone 4a Pro are officially scheduled to launch on March 5, 2026. The standard Phone 4a is expected to feature a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution. On the back will feature a 50MP main, a 50MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and an 8MP ultrawide, a 32MP front-facing shooter. Nothing has confirmed that the lineup will use Snapdragon chipsets. Both phones will be equipped with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 SoC. Only the Pro will support eSIM, as per this source. The standard Phone 4a is expected to cost around $475, while the Phone 4a Pro could have a higher $540 price tag. A 5,400 mAh battery with 50W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.